So it's in the middle of March, beautiful sunny day here in Denmark, and it's time to cut our dwarf fountain grass. So all winter has been really nice, but now it's time to cut it back so it can get this really new green lush foliage. So down here, as you can see, I normally use my hand here and kind of use it up here around 10 centimeters from the ground. I grab it here like a big clump like that, and then I just snip them down here just like that, because that will give lots of new air and also light to the grass here, so it will start to sprout from the bottom here. And we're finished having in Denmark anyway, we don't have so hard frost and winter anymore, so it's really safe to do it now in the middle of March. So we'll just really just firmly grab it here like this, because it has been standing really nice with beautiful decorative like seed pods, almost a little bit left here, just hanging over. It's finished. Some of the birds have been pecking at it too, but it's a low growing one, so it's really close to our border here. But look at that, just really nice. Don't hope any mice or anything will come, because we do have a lot of overwinter. That's also why we leave it hanging here, because it gives a lot of places for bugs and insects and little mice to live under here. But now it's time for it to get back to life here. So it's a really beautiful grass together with our perennials as well. And so, but this one is really easy. Just again, grab almost like a ponytail. Not that I have one, but then you just clip it like this, get a little haircut like that, and it will quickly start to sprout again. And while cutting these, you really don't have to be scared. You can't do anything really wrong. So it's even if you did a little bit higher, that'll be fine too, because the new buds will just emerge. But it's really important now to get it away. So if you just clip like this, because if you don't, then the new growth would have a really hard time to get up, and all these will eventually break and be all over your garden, which you don't want to have. So it's really just taking a little bit at a time. You could either also, if it's we also have some Chinese silver grass, really taller ones, where you can also take like a rope around the whole thing, and just use like a machine, like a hedge cutter. If you have that, that's super easy if you have taller grass, because imagine you start cutting that you will have all this everywhere in your garden. Great for the birds if they want to have something for the nest, but really just take it bit by bit. Just take your time, don't rush, just slowly go, and just like that. And then it's really gets all this nice air and light for the perennial. So here's a different perennial grass. As you can see, we have trimmed that way back a few weeks ago, and it's already starting to sprout from the ground down, and quickly it'll have a really nice height again. And you can see that's kind of the same height. I used my hand here around the length of my fingers here. That's always a great way to measure trimming back both perennials and perennial grasses as well. So this is really ready for another great season. So thank you for watching.